Alright, so I just got a brand new package and I just took off all my information here and I got the knife. It's actually Dr. Beasley's package. I already knew what I got. So I don't know what's in here. I don't even know if I can get it with just one hand. There we go. Okay, so we got a note saying thanks for your order from Jim, and then how much I spent on there. So I signed up for their rewards program on the Dr. Beasley site. Okay, so I picked up just to try this out, the new car scent thing. So it's a little bottle of new car scent. I picked up the Dr. Beasley's metal coat. So I'm going to try this out. It said it's been reformulated. I never used it before, but again, it's been reformulated. You can see it's basically a nano protection of some sort, so that's why they call it a nano coat. So, or metal coat. There you go, ceramic nano coating. Protects exposed metal surfaces, prevents staining and etching. Perfect for stainless steel, chrome, and aluminum. So I'm going to give that a shot. And like the Dr. Beasley line, they all have the doctor, lotion type things here. I picked up all their surface primer, so I picked up the set. This is the 150, which is their cutting compound. They call it the heavy cut primer. Here's the 95, which is their medium cut, or they call it fine cut, which I think is like their medium cut thing. And then here's their finishing primer, nano NSP 45. So I picked up those three. Let me get this out of the way. So I picked these three up to give them a shot. I'm gonna polish off the what am I trying to say here? The IGL Kenzo. I'm gonna polish that off, and we're gonna replace it because, as I posted in the other video, I have some issues with it, and that was an application error. So we're gonna probably try the 150, and then I'll probably finish out with the 45, or maybe I'll try the 95 as a test spot kind of thing and see how those do. I'm actually going to use the metal coat right now. I'm actually finishing polishing up the what do you call it, exhaust tips on the Grand Prix. That's why I don't like really ceramic coating exhaust tips, is because you're going to have to polish them again because they are going to get stained over time. So I don't mind just polishing them and then just hitting them with like a sealant, or in this case a coating of that nature, or of this nature here. And so we're going to just go ahead and give these a try. Once I start polishing the car, I will bring you in so I can kind of show you which ones I'm using. But for the metal coat, I'm going to give that a shot right now. Like I just finished polishing up the exhaust tips with Carpro Metallica, which, I don't know, man, I have like a love-hate thing with that. And ice cream trucks out there, if you guys want ice cream. Like I said, love-hate relationship with Metallica, because sometimes it's hard to wipe off, but it polishes out really good and it finishes out good. So you have to use some sort of wetting agent or a panel wipe to get that completely off. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use this here. And then in my Grand Prix, I'm actually trying the Adams odor bombs. I was at the Adams, they had a after dark sale. I went over there, checked it out, picked up a couple things. I'm gonna try this charcoal bag thing for interiors to kind of. There's a water leak in the Grand Prix somewhere, and I can't find it. And sometimes it smells in there like a mildew type scent. I've changed the cabin filter. I can't find any. The carpets are not wet, so I don't know where it's coming from, and the water's just sitting somewhere. And so I'm gonna just give this a shot. I have the odor bomb going on right now to see if I can just eliminate any type of mildew scent in that car. But again, Dr. Beasley stuff coming up, and then I'm gonna just put a coating over whichever one I finish out with. All right, thanks for watching.